Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we are going to do a comparison and unboxing of two zero gravity chair with removable cushion. One is a size large and the other is a size extra large. So I specifically bought this for me and my husband. The large would be for me and the extra large, which is wider, and I think it's also has more accessories, would be for my husband. So let's take a look at the large size first. I think the approximate weight limit for the large would be around 180 pounds, and then for the extra large it's going to be around 250 to 300 pounds. So it's built, as you can see, it's built sturdier, the extra large, and it also is wider. So I will show you a picture or a video of these two items next to each other when they're open at the end of the video. So here is the use and tear instruction. I'm still trying to figure out how to use this just by myself, so please bear with me. So here are the cup holders. So the one with more accessories would be the extra large. It has like the eye. If you press it down, it will just open. Just put a little pressure down and you're going to be able to open this chair. As you can see, I'm just pushing it down and it opens. So here is how it looks like when it's fully stretched. I'm going to try to demonstrate and how it looks like when I'm sitting in it. So there's the lever that allows you to like stretch it out and pull it down so you can sit on it. So that's me there trying to like play with the levers. As you can see, those are the only levers. So if you like push the lever up, you can like lift your legs up like so, and then just push the lever in. If you pull the lever in, you can put your feet down like so. So it's pretty easy, and just play with it. So now I'm going to try to open the extra large one. As you can see, this is going to be significantly bigger than the large size. It's so much wider and it's more comfortable, I admit. So the seat is wider compared to my large one. It looks like a child's chair, but they pretty much look the same. Stitching and the handles. So there's that foam for the head, which is bigger, and there's also a foam in the leg part. I don't have that in the size large. The levers are the same, so I'm gonna try it out as well. But I did try it out. It's more comfortable because it's wider. So here's the lever, same levers on both sides to control the gravity motion of the chair. And you can easily tuck it in, so all you do is just push it in and it tucks in really nice. It's not space consuming, so I like the portability and how space saving it is. So as you can see next to each other, they're pretty slim, and you can tuck them in if it rains, which is really nice. So that's how it looks like folded. And that's all for the video for today. I'll see you in the next one.